there's this idea that our thirst mechanisms are broken. We actually don't know when we're supposed to be drinking water. And it's part of the legacy now that people walk around with water all the time and Europeans laugh at us, is that we need to stay ahead of our thirst, which is only true if you're like exercising in hot weather really hard, like if then you might need to think about this. But if you're just a human being walking through the world, your thirst is just fine. And in fact, a bunch of studies, feel free to Google this. There's a bunch of studies that have been done in the last decade that your thirst mechanism is just fine, not broken. You can rely on yourself to just listen when you're thirsty, give yourself some water, and then go on about your life. And I think of hunger as being very similar, but with more dire circumstances, which is that we think being hungry is something we have to endure. And I will tell you the exact opposite. Not only is it not something that you should endure, but it's traumatic to constantly suppress your hunger. I think it leads to overeating later. I think it's not good for your self-concept. And I think it injures your ability to listen to your body. And those are everything I just laid out there for you, massively important for not only your healthy weight, but for you to be happy as a human being, you know? And the two don't have to be separate. That in fact,